Are you looking for the best MIG welders? In this video we will look at some of the best MIG welders on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Hobart 500,559 Handler 140 MIG. This Hobart MIG welder has a 5-position voltage control for a smooth arc transition, no matter what the material's thickness. It means it can weld 24-gauge steel up to 0.25 inches thick. It is a multifunctioning welder that operates on a household voltage of 115, and it has a 20% duty cycle at 90 amps, which means for every 2 minutes welding, it must be rested for 8 minutes. This increases to 25% when you up the amperage to 140. This MIG welder is suitable for welding steel, stainless steel, aluminum and other metals. It may not be the best for professional use or top the pole for home use, but this welder is pretty hard to beat as an all-rounder. Number 2. Weld Pro 200 amp. Inverter technology removes the need for transformers, making the welding unit lighter. You get increased control and power without the added weight. This welder is suitable for MIG, stick and TIG welding at a maximum output of 200 amps. This unit is suitable for home or professional use. However, make sure you get a professional to install a 220-volt socket if you plan on using the maximum output on this welder. What makes this welder unique is the duty cycle at lower amperage. It has a 100% cycle at 110 amps and 30% at 200 amps. Unlike the Hobart, this welding kit can operate at 200 amps, meaning you can tackle more substantial tasks. This is thanks to the inverter technology that increases power output and control. It is a versatile machine with TIG, MIG and stick welding capabilities when operated at 200 amps. It means that you can even braze different metals together using the MIG brazing techniques. Number 3. Forney Easy Weld 261 140 FCI. If you want a welder that's easy to transport and lightweight, this is the perfect choice. It could so easily have won the award for the best MIG welder for beginners. It comes with everything you would expect from a compact welder. It is a gasless unit, relying on flux core to get the job done. It has infinite voltage and wire feed control, making it ideal for novices, and it welds metal to a thickness of 0.25 inches. It has a 30% cycle at 90 amps, and it has an all-metal casing for added robustness. Thanks to the infinite voltage and the wire feed control, even the greenest welders would feel confident using this machine. This welder weighs just 19 pounds, so getting it to where you need it is easy. It makes this the perfect welder for DIY applications, metalwork repairs, maintenance and hobbyist activities. Number 4. Miller Electric Millermatic 211. This Millermatic is a firm favorite among the most experienced welders because it is reliable, lightweight and compact. It even has a unique slow start function that ensures when the wire forms the arc, there are minimal splatters or deformed bead profiles that many other models lack. This is a feature rarely found on smaller MIG welders. It is a high-quality welder with an extensive range of settings, a superior MIG gun and an impressive warranty. It also welds aluminum and mild steel to a thickness of 0.38 inches, and stainless steel to 0.35 inches. The only downside is the price. This unit costs double the amount of the Weld Pro. However, if you want a welder that will last you a lifetime, then what you pay now will seem irrelevant 10 or 20 years down the line. For such a small unit, this welder offers the best in reliability, power and quality. It's the reason so many professionals love using it. It is the MIG welder of choice. It costs a lot more than some, but you get a 10-feet MIG gun with 10 feet of cable, a built-in gas solenoid valve, a dual-gauge regulator with a gas hose and a sample 0.030-inch spool. Number 5. Lotus Mig175 MIG Welder. This complete welding kit comes with a dedicated aluminum spool gun, which removes the need to purchase one separately. This welder is effective when working with stainless steel, mild steel and aluminum. Unlike the Weld Pro, which relies on inverter technology, this Lotus model uses transformers. It means it is harder wearing and less likely to malfunction. It makes this the ideal tool for small businesses that need the reliability of a tried and tested welder that won't break the bank. It's one of the reasons why it handles 4-inch and 8-inch industrial standard spools. This kit can weld stainless steel, mild steel and aluminum with the dedicated aluminum spool gun supplied with the kit. This welder comes with the MIG torch, the aluminum spool gun, the cables, regulators and even the face mask. It is the complete set to get you started straight out of the box.